So today we are installing the PSC power steering pump cooler, since my 2.0 with Etorq cannot get the hydro assist at this time, and who knows when it will be. And hello to my awesome crutches, because Summer totally screwed up her ankle getting out of the Jeep. But today Joseph is going to be doing the install while I, what do you call it, supervise. So today for install, we are gonna need the power steering cooler hoses. One goes to the gearbox and one goes to the pump. What we need for that. And then, pardon me, I'm gonna be like hopping around. But tools for install, do recommend a little impact. It goes a lot quicker. He likes it. Socket wrench. 7/16, 11/16, and he suggested having some pliers. So let's do this. So what are you doing right now?
Now I'm disconnecting the line from the gearbox so we can make room for the install of the new stuff.
It's in there somewhere. It's right there.
Tire steering.
And you have to put the new fitting in there as well for the new lines. From here, there's a little clamp up in there. It's so hard to get up in there, but there's a little clamp. You gotta clamp on the hose at the power steering pump to kind of slide it off. It's horrible to get up in there, but you get the point. Another thing I will add is make sure you have a drain pan for the fluid to run out, or it will run out on the ground, obviously. And make sure you also have some power steering fluid to fill up to top off when you are finished. Here we did have to tug at the line a little bit to get it loose and out of the Jeep.
You got 4 bolts, 2 here that hold the cooler to the bracket, and then you have 2 bolts here and here that hold the bracket to the Jeep. These 2 bolts are part of this line that is already on your Jeep.
And now for bolting on the cooler itself. There's like no room up in this freaking engine. I wonder why you can't put anything in here. So just wanted to add a little tip for these. Before you tighten them down, add a little bit of Teflon tape and then tighten them down. Make sure that it tightens. Sometimes you can have problems with it leaking, so I've just put Teflon tape in it and it's helped me in the past, so we went ahead and did that. We're gonna go ahead, add the lines in, run them up to the box and to the power steering, and then that's about it. It's a pretty simple install. If I wasn't in pain, I probably could have done it myself, but thankfully I have the assistance of Mr. Joseph Couture. So go ahead and add your fluid. You're gonna turn the wheels a little bit to kind of just get the pump to flow and get it to suck down in. Make sure as well that you don't have any leaks under there. That fluid's just from what we leaked when we were installing it. And other than that, you're all set and good to go. And that there wraps up the install of the PSC power steering cooler for the 2.0 Etorq engine 2020 JL. Super simple.